So the ultimate implementation will actually see you using a smartphone, having an app, ordering a Volocopter to the next Voloport near you. The Volocopter will come autonomously, pick you up and take you to your destination. It already is capable of flying based on GPS tracks today and will implement full sense and avoid capabilities, also dealing with unknown obstacles along the way once we reach full implementation. The Volocopter has high levels of redundancy, both in the mechanical as well as in the electrical parts. But in reality, any critical component can fail and the Volocopter can still continue its mission on a very safe basis.